Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we're talking about a Bittorrent token, friends. In this video I'm going to show you the very important thing. Don't do this, otherwise you lost, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. That is very important for all of you to subscribe ABS Tech channel, because ABS Tech channel updates you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news, friends. Now let's start the video, friends. First of all, we talk about the Bittorrent price prediction at this time. The current price of Bittorrent token, as you can see now on the screen, 0.007206 USD dollar is the current price of Bittorrent token, friends. And friends, as you know, today is the third day of new month, friends. I mean that the new month starts now, and if we look the price change occur in the Bittorrent token, as you can see here, the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change as negative, and last 1 week change is only positive, friends. So you know, last 1 week change mean that the previous month, April month price change is positive, and as you can see here, the last 1 day and the last 1 hour price prediction as negative, friends. So that is clear that the Bittorrent token farming period starts now from the start of new month, friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the Bittorrent token, friends. As you can see here, friends, that is the last 1 day price prediction. If we look the previous last 3 day price prediction, so the last 3 day price prediction are in positive. But if we look the price chart of the Bittorrent token, so as you can see here, at this time only and only falls occur in the Bittorrent token, friends. And this time, that is the last 2 days price prediction. As you know, today is the third day, and as you can see here, only and only falls occur in the Bittorrent token after the start of new month, friends. So friends, if we talk about the price change in the last 3 days, so the last 3 days price change is positive 2.12%, but as I show you in the start of video, that last 1 day price prediction change as negative, friends. So now the last 3 days price change is positive, but soon after a passage of time, they change become negative, friends. Why? Because that is the start of new month and a lot of people want to sell his coin. That is why they falls down and the price become false, friends. So in this video, don't do this mistake at this time, friends. Don't sell your coin in the token in this time, friends, because as you know, at this time all the holders of Bittorrent token are in the loss, friends. So don't do this mistake. Don't sell Bittorrent token at this time, friends. If you sell it, so exactly you are in the loss, friends. Now if we look the price of the Bittorrent token, the highest price in the last 3 days, 0.00753 USD dollar is the highest price of Bittorrent token, and the current price live Bittorrent token price in the market is about 0.007208 USD dollar, friends. They falls down every minute by minute, hour by hour, friends. So don't sell it at this time, friends. Remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.